Hey, do you want a stable payment method that lets you deposit directly from your exchange wallet? Fast, transparent withdrawals, and all this with no KYC headache? Let me tell you, my friend, Olymptrade cares about your story and for just what you wished for. Keep watching. My name is Gaspar. In this video, I'm talking about crypto deposits on Olymptrade. I'll show you the advantages, tell you how they work, and explain how you can open a crypto wallet. So after watching this video, you'll be able to make gains, deposits, and withdrawals with crypto. Some of you may think, whoa, stop right there, Pill, cryptocurrencies. Yeah, I know, there's a lot of hype about it, but today I'm in no mystery mode. So first, press that subscribe button and help us help you. So subscribe, like, and we're good. Now let's go to those crypto facts in Olymptrade. What makes crypto so good? It is based on blockchain technology. Anyone on the network can see all transactions made with the respective currency, and that is real transparency. Also, it is not tied to any central bank or government. It is decentralized. No single entity can control its price or supply. And that is, welcome to the 21st century, my friend. Now, what makes depositing crypto to Olymptrade so good? First, your transaction will be cheaper, faster, and simpler than using traditional payment methods. Second, it will be anonymous and safe. And third, your national currency's inflation will have near to no effect on it. Olymptrade's got some perks of its own for when you deposit in crypto. For example, if you deposit in USDT, you can get advanced status for a $100 deposit and expert status for $500. Also, your first deposit above 5 USDT gets you a boost cube that could have signals, strategies, or other perks from the Olymptrade market. Let me show you how easy it is to deposit crypto on Olymptrade. Go to Payments, Deposit, Payment Methods. Choose USDT, select your preferred network protocol, enter the desired amount, press Confirm, and go to Show me the address to get the unique QR code and the wallet address. Now, go to your crypto wallet, press Send, and either scan that QR code or paste the wallet address you've just copied. Done. Confirm. Once the blockchain confirms your transaction, your account will be credited in about 13 minutes. Check out the precision. Now, a few useful tips for you. Always use USDT that your network protocol Olymptrade supports. Pay attention to network fees. For example, TRC20 tends to have lower fees than ERC20. You can use cryptocurrency to fund both your USD and USDT accounts. And finally, make the entire deposit in one transaction. Don't split it. That's to avoid partial losses. If you don't have a crypto wallet, here's how you can easily have one in just a few steps. Download the reliable wallet app like Coinbase Wallet or Exodus. Follow the prompts to create a new wallet, set a password, and save the recovery phrase. That's the unique set of words you'll need if you lose access to your wallet. Create an account on a trusted exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Once you verified your account, buy USDT. Now go to your crypto wallet and find the receive option to get the wallet address. Go back to the exchange and use the address to send or withdraw funds. Done! You are now ready to make a deposit in crypto to Olymptrade. Now don't worry, I know you want a video guide for it. We have it. The link is in the description. Try it out and you'll see how easy it is to do deposits and withdrawals in crypto with Olymptrade. Anyway, remember, your first deposit above 5 USDT gets you a boost cube that could have signal strategies on other pairs on the Olymptrade market. Now, if you want to know more about crypto, I'm happy to tell you more about it. Let me know in the comments. See you!